Welcome friends to SSC CGL Tier 2 level quick algebra problem solving. This is Atanu Chaudhary of SureSolve. Continuing from the first part, in the second part of the video, we'll solve the last 5 questions of SSC CGL Tier 2 solution set 9 on Algebra 4 from SureSolve.com. Let's start solving this set of 5 interesting problems. Question 6 is, if x square plus y square plus z square equal to xy plus yz plus zx, then the value of 3x to the power 4 plus 7y to the power 4 plus 5z to the power 4 divided by 5x square y square plus 7y square z square plus 3z square x square is option A 2, option B 1, option C 0 and option D minus 1. The given expression is familiar and you know how to convert it into a sum of square expressions equal to 0. That will lead you to the solution quickly. Multiply both sides of the given equation by 2. Take all terms in RHS to the LHS and collect the like terms together. You will get x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 2yz plus z square minus 2zx plus x square equal to 0. Or x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square equal to 0. As this is a sum of square expressions equal to 0, each of the square must be 0, and so x minus y equal to y minus z equal to z minus x equal to 0. Or x equal to y equal to z. Substituting x for both y and z, you get the changed target expression as 3 plus 7 plus 5 x to the power 4 divided by 5 plus 7 plus 3 x to the power 4 equal to 1. Answer is option B 1. It is straightforward if you know how to detect and use the pattern of zero sum of square terms. Let's solve the next problem. Question 7 is, if a square minus bc divided by a square plus bc plus b square minus ca divided by b square plus ca plus c square minus ab divided by c square plus ab equal to 1, then the value of a square by a square plus bc plus b square by b square plus ca plus c square by c square plus ab is option A 2, option B 1, option C 0 and option D minus 1. If you take away minus BC, minus CA and minus AB from the numerators of the first, second and the third fraction terms of the given expression, the resulting expression would have been the same as the target expression. How to get rid of these extra terms? At this point, from your experience drawn from the method of component dividendo, you add 1 to each of the terms with compensating 3 added to the RHS. The result of your action is 2 times a square by a square plus bc plus b square by b square plus ca plus c square by c square plus ab equal to 4. The value of the target expression is simply 2. Answer is option A 2. Let's solve the 8th problem. Question 8 is, if 2 times x square plus 1 by x square minus in the brackets x minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 0, then the two valid values of x are option A 0 and 1, option B half and 1, option C 1 and 2 and option D 2 and minus half. The given expression is in power 4 of x and so has 4 valid values of x, out of which we have to choose 2 that match with one of the given choices. The 2 pairs of roots are to be obtained in 2 stages. Identify that x square plus 1 by x square equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. And substitute dummy variable b equal to x minus 1 by x. The given expression is thus changed to a quadratic equation in P. 2 times P square plus 2 minus P minus 7 equal to 0. Or 2P square minus P minus 3 equal to 0. Factorize and get 2P minus 3 multiplied by P plus 1 equal to 0. The two roots are P equal to minus 1 and P equal to 3 by 2. For the first root, P equal to x minus 1 by x equal to minus 1. On simplifying, you get x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. From Sridharacharya's formula, you can verify that this equation has side roots. The given choices having no side roots, the value of P equal to minus 1 is invalid. With P equal to x minus 1 by x equal to 3 by 2, then you get the quadratic equation as 2x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Factorize and get 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 equal to 0. Or x equal to minus half and x equal to 2. Answer is option D, 2 and minus half. Let's solve the next problem. Question 9 is, if x equal to cube root of a plus square root of a square plus b cube plus cube root of a minus square root of a square plus b cube, then x cube plus 3bx is equal to option A 0, option B 1, option C A and option D 2a. The problem looks quite awkward. So we'll substitute dummy variables to make it look simpler. P equal to cube root of a plus square root of a square plus b cube and q equal to cube root of a minus square root of a square plus b cube. The target expression contains x cube, and so your first action is to raise x to its cube using the compact form of cube of sum. X cube equal to p cube plus q cube plus 3p cube multiplied by p plus q. You mentally evaluate p cube plus q cube to simply 2a as the second term under square root of a square plus b cube cancel out. Only pq is left to be evaluated. For the product pq, the second term under square root of a square plus b cube gets squared up, and the result of the product becomes pq equal to cube root of a square minus in brackets a square plus b cube equal to cube root of minus b cube equal to minus b. So finally you get x cube equal to 2a minus 3bx. Substituting back the value of p plus q with x. Rearrange to get the answer as x cube plus 3bx equal to 2a. Answer is option D, 2a. Use of dummy variable is for convenience only. These few steps could easily be done mentally without the aid of any dummy variable. Let's solve the last question. Question 10 is, if BC plus CA plus AB equal to ABC, then the value of B plus C divided by BC multiplied by A minus 1 plus C plus A divided by CA multiplied by B minus 1 plus A plus B divided by AB multiplied by C minus 1 is option A 0, option B 1, option C minus half and option D minus 3 by 2. ABC appears in the given expression. But can you find it in the target expression? It is there all right, lightly hidden away in the denominator of each fraction term. Once you locate it, you do not hesitate for the substitution of ABC minus BC equal to CA plus AB equal to A multiplied by B plus C in the denominator of the first fraction term. You do the same for the other two terms and reach very near to the solution. The result is B plus C divided by CA plus AB plus C plus A divided by AB plus BC plus A plus B divided by BC plus CA. Equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Equal to BC plus CA plus AB divided by ABC. Equal to ABC by ABC equal to 1. Answer is option B, 1. From the moment you discover the key pattern, rest is very quick and all in mind. To read the detailed solutions, refer to the corresponding article in our website suresolve.com. The link is given in the description of this video. Lastly, do subscribe to our channel for latest uploads. Thanks for watching.